What's going on, guys? I'm back. I'm gonna pick another lock for y'all today. Uh, this one is an MX lock I got from a local lock shop around here. Don't believe they watch my channel because I haven't told them I have a channel. So we're gonna pick this today. It's an MX. I have no key for it. And then we'll talk about the giveaway later on. I'll probably end up doing a video about that tomorrow and let it sit for about a week or so on YouTube and see what kind of response I can get. But as of right now, I'm gonna go and knock this lock out and see what's in it. So we're gonna do bottom of the keyway, and we're gonna start off with a Peterson gem. Alright, gotta click off of 5. 4 is binding. This keyway is nasty. It's hard to get up through it sometimes. So you got nothing off of 1. Back through 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. I think I overset something. Okay. Got 2 binding up. 2. 1. Nope. 1 feels good. 6. 5. 4. Gotta click. 3. 2. 1. Don't tell me I'm gonna get whooped on all standard pins. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reset and have another go at this, because I'm not getting anything out of this lock. That was 5. That was 4, I believe. 3, 2, no, that was 1. Alright. 6. 3, 2, 1. 6. 5. Got a click. Felt like an overset. 6. 2. 1. 'I'm getting no love out of it. switch picks. This one's a 15,000 stiff force diamond from the Praxis kit. Six, three, two, four, three, two, sorry I'm not talking much, guys. This one is absolutely beating on me. Two, three, four, five, six. Let's see if I overset something. Let's try going the other way. Two, one, two, six. Got a small click out of one, got a click, two, three, go back to that gem. Click out of two, one, six, Got a slight turn there. A little bit more, and number 6 has put me into a false set. Alright, and this is where I'm going to need that deforest, because this warding is nasty. Alright, feels like number 2. And I dropped a ton of other stuff. Oh, wow, and I got an open. Was not expecting that. Not after all the fight it just put up. So let's zoom out. Get the vise moved out of the way. And get the camera adjusted down. Alright, since I don't have a key for this, I can't afford to lock it back up. Means you guys will have to suffer with me having to pick it again. Get this pinning tray out. All my other trays are full right now. I've got another lock torn apart, trying to learn how to pick it. Same shop that I got this one from. Thought it would be awesome to give me. Don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. They gave me an Asa. They gave me an Asa kick, and it's the Asa twin with the side pins. Sorry. And I've been fighting with trying to learn just the side pins. I got 3 of them out and all the key pins out, trying to learn the side pins alone. And it's not going so well. But let's see what's in this one. Oh, and all the pins are in. I don't know if you can see them in there. They're in there. You'll have to trust me. And let's see. No counter milling or anything, so it's good. Alright, so we've got 2 standards, 3 standards, 4. Looks like all these bottoms are going to be standard. They almost look like steel pins. Let's see if they are. Nope. Nickel coated. And yeah, put the Bible up out of frame. And my tweezers are on the other side of the camera. So let's see what we've got up top. Number 1 is a mushroom spool. Since this is a stock lock, I won't be pulling the springs. 2 is a standard. 3 is a mushroom spool. 4 is a standard. Go around to the other side. Anybody want to take a guess at what number 6 is? You guess standard? You're right. And number 5 is another one of the mushroom pins, mushroom spools. Alright. Let me grab the camera. Alright, and here we go. That's what we've got in the MX lock. Yep, MX. Forgot the lock I was picking. Alright, and look forward to tomorrow having a video about the giveaway. Gotta do some printing for some of the pinning trays and things like that. So, but as of right now, it's looking like a couple of these American locks. I got a couple other locks I'm gonna throw in. I've got some. I got 2 versions of pack locks and some other fun stuff I'll try to put in there, along with some challenge locks I'll make tomorrow. But until next time, have a good one, folks.